you want to become certified project management professional in 2021, or even better to say in 3 to 4 weeks, yes, in 3 to 4 weeks without any knowledge, you came from zero and become a certified PMP. Is it too good to be true? Maybe it is, but we have done it multiple times. We have 175 PMP in 2021 out of 176. Our success rate becomes 99.3 something. So, if you want to become a certified PMP, this is the best program in the market. Now, let me tell you some of the features of this program. Our program is based on our SCS, Success Coaching System. Now, what is Success Coaching System? Where all the training program in the world are fighting on that my training program is best, we provide this thing, we provide case study and all those things. We have made our own blue ocean. Hey, I'm wearing blue. So we have made our own blue ocean. We have an entirely different strategy. Apart from training, which I'll come in a while, from giving the best training in the world, which we do, we have coaching system. Yes, that is the real thing. That is something which made sure that our success rate jumps to the 99.3%. So let me just elaborate what is the success coaching system. First, we provide you the training, and the training will be PMI ATP training. I'm an authorized training provider instructor of PMI. This means PMI has checked, validated, and has ensured that everything I'm gonna give you is authorized. My PDUs are pre-approved because the material we are going to use is from PMI. So the training program is entirely different. It is based on case study. Like right now we are having a batch 12 and the case study is based on Lamborghini. We are having a hybrid project to make that Lamborghini. And instead of giving 3 days straightforward training or 4 days or 5 days, we have divided the training into 6 days or 2 weeks. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 2 weeks, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. For example, next batch will start on 15th of October, or 16, 17, then there will be a break, then 22, 23, 24. Now what is the purpose of having this break? This break is very, very important. Whatever we have studied here in these 3 days, we will give a roadmap how to comprehend this topic, because these 3 days I would say are the most important days. We cover 70% of the real material in it. People area, most of the process area, the agile thing, and we give a weekly roadmap to the students, and I make sure through my coaching system that all of the students, and we have 25, maximum of 25 students in one batch, not more than 25, that all of them by daily follow-up that they have covered the entire material before coming to the next class. So when they will come here, they have already done 50 questions per topic. They have already made the mind maps of entire topic and all those things. When in the last 3 days, we'll go to the another material. Then again, I'll give a weekly roadmap. So here starts my coaching system. The training is done, the 6 days training, the entire material. Here start our coaching system. Okay. The first thing we do in our coaching system would be we help them in application. You need to apply it to PMI, you need to fill that application. That application can become a daunting task. So I actually help them. We have made a template of even the experience in which you just have to tailor it according to your own requirement, fill all the things, submit your application, and since I'm an authorized training provider, we don't get audit. The probability of getting for audit is very low, but even if you are selected for audit, I will support you in the audit. We'll provide 35 hours certificate, of course, that will be utilized in the audit. and or ATP if you want to check, or ATP name is facilitated method. So you can actually check on PMI website or ATP में facilitated method. So once the application is approved, then the next thing will come. Okay, so I'll give you the weekly roadmap, and this weekly roadmap will be according to your requirement. You will tell me, hey Amir, I can spend maybe 1 to 2 hours in a day, fair, or you can spend 3 to 4, 5 to 6. This roadmap will be tailored, customized according to your requirement. And once I have given the roadmap, I will not leave you. What I will do? I will do my daily follow-up. What is daily follow-up? We have currently more than 200 PMP aspirants that are preparing, and I personally message them or call them on daily basis to ask where they stand. It's more like a daily stand-up. I am basically asking, where do you stand? Do you need any kind of my requirement? And since I'm a servant leader, I am there to facilitate them. I want them to clear PMP in the minimum possible time. So I will be doing the daily follow-up. This is something that it is so easy. It's just like apple a day keeps the doctor away. We all know, but it is such a hard thing to do, and this becomes the most effective way where my students are clearing because they have someone as an accountability partner. Hey, just tell me this thing. Have you ever joined a gym to get into the shape, but after 1 week or 2 weeks you didn't felt that you should go there? But instead of that, if you are going with an accountability partner, you will keep on going. That is why all the best athletes in the world, they have a coach who guide them, who force them, who make sure that they even surpass their own potential. They break the barriers. That will be my daily follow-up, because I will be your coach, your mentor in this process. And in addition to that, then we have our signature coaching calls. We have minimum 2 coaching calls in which you will solve hard question of PMP. I will assist you how to solve this question, what is the best way, how you can solve it in the best possible way. And we will have 1 coaching call in which I will solve the question. I will guide you my own way. Okay, this is the way how you can solve this question. Then we will give you a very important thing. Since we are ATP, PMI has given us 210 cloned question. That is really like the original PMP question. If you join the program, I will provide you those 210 questions for your PMP exam. Now this is something important. Only premium ATP like us, they have. Not even a general ATP has that. Once that is done, we also give you my own best simulator in the market. Now it will have 12 mocks. And I will provide you each and everything that you need to clear the PMP exam. Everything. I will help you. I will respond to your queries. And even if all of these things you still think, hey, I still need something, we have one more important thing, and that is money back guarantee. Yes. How does this money back guarantee works? Let's say you follow my entire roadmap, and even after following this success coaching system, you are not able to clear the exam. The re-examination fees is $275. Let's say if you fail, my success rate is 99.3%. If you are among that person, because of any reason, that maybe the exam is so difficult, or because of any other reason you got failed, I will pay your re-examination fees. So guys, in other words, you have nothing to lose when you come to our program. Now, if you want to become certified PMP, the next batch program will be on 15th of October. And of course, the training fees will be $499. And if you want to have a personal touch, you want to do into a one-to-one program which I will guide, since batch program has to be studied on the fixed days, on the fixed timing, but you cannot join the program because your schedule is tough. Then we have one-to-one mentor program in which I will work with you, and this program can be studied any day, any time. I will be available. This one-to-one program will be $999. Each and everything is available in both of these programs. The major thing is this will be more of a group program of 25 students, and this will be a one-to-one student and more interaction of myself. And of course, exam fees is $405 and membership fee is $139. It becomes $545. So that's entire PMP program in a summary. So guys, this is the best program in the market. I'm not saying just because it's my program. I'm saying it because it has proved the results in the world. 99.3 success rate, 175 PMP out of 176. Batch 11 was completed last month, and 50%, more than 50% of the students have already cleared. What else you want? And if even you think these all things need more validation, you can go into my YouTube channel and look at the web episode where all the students are sharing their journey. In addition to that, the founder of PMP, Lee Lamberti, he has endorsed my program multiple times, and also many other people. So what are you waiting for? Contact us on given number and get your seat booked right now. Thank you very much.